Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to make these zipper pulls, and they can be used as a tag or as a toggle for carrying things. And you can make them out of different cords. Here I have very light paracord, different leathers, and different strings. Taking a cord that's 2 foot long, decide on the length. Here I'm going to go about 4 inches. This will be the length of the zipper pull. Take the one side, make a loop. The other part goes around the back and up through the hole. Pull all the slack out. Then repeat. The cord that's on the top, this right side, makes the loop. The other cord that was on the back goes around, comes up through the hole. Pull the slack out and tighten this as you're going. To repeat, now it's the left side that's on the top. Keep it on top, make your loop, go around the back, up through the hole, pull the slack out, snug it up, and we just keep repeating. Again, the one that's on the top, take that, make the loop to the top, go over that, around the back, up through the hole. Pull the slack out and tighten it. And you'll do this the entire length. Cord on the top makes the loop, around the back, up through the hole. Pull the slack out, tighten the knot. Continue the lacing until you used up all the cord, and then remove the excess. Then what a lot of people like to do with the paracord is singe the end. But a lot of times when you do that, it burns and gives you the discolored. What I prefer to do is take some of the gel super glue and apply a little bit and let that dry. Now when you use super glue on leather, it makes the leather extremely brittle, and it has a tendency to crack or break. So in that case, use a wood glue and let that dry on the leather, and that will secure it. You can also take some beads, apply the beads for decoration, and just loop it on to your zipper pull or key or knife or whatever you're going to use the pull or tags for. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.